Ibotta does not continuously drain your battery just because it is installed, but features like scanning receipts, using your camera, and staying active in the app can increase battery usage during use. By the end, you'll know what causes Ibotta battery usage, how to check if it is affecting your phone, and what settings can help reduce unnecessary drain. Section 1 is understanding why Ibotta can use battery. Your phone uses more power when the screen is on, the camera is active, the internet connection is being used, or the processor is handling tasks. Ibotta users often interact with the app by browsing offers, scanning receipts, and uploading purchase information. These actions require your phone to perform more work than simply leaving the app installed. Receipt scanning can use additional power because it may require camera access and image processing. If you scan multiple receipts or spend longer periods inside the app, your phone may use more battery during that time. Section 2 is how to check whether Ibotta is the reason your battery is dropping. Open your phone's battery settings and review the list of apps using power. This shows whether Ibotta is contributing to battery usage compared with other apps on your device. If your battery drops mainly while you are scanning receipts or actively using Ibotta, the activity inside the app may be the reason. If your battery decreases while Ibotta is closed, check other apps first. Background activity from social media apps, games, streaming apps, or other services may be using more power. Section 3 is how to reduce battery usage while using Ibotta. Lower your screen brightness when full brightness is not needed. The display is one of the main parts of a phone that uses power during active use. Close apps you are finished using to reduce background activity. This helps your phone focus resources on the tasks you are currently doing. Use Wi-Fi when available, and keep your Ibotta app updated through your device's app store. Updates can improve app performance and fix issues that affect how apps run. You do not need to remove Ibotta just because your battery changes while using it. First, check your battery usage information and identify which apps are using the most power. The key points are simple. Ibotta can use more battery during activities like receipt scanning and active app use. Your phone's battery settings can show whether Ibotta is actually causing the drain. Your next step is to open your battery settings, check Ibotta's usage, and adjust your phone settings if needed. If this guide helped you understand Ibotta battery usage, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.